Let's quickly move on now to the latest coming in from the Kolkata horror and the protests that are raging on the streets. Shocking revelations have come to the fore as CBI has intensified the probe in the Kolkata rape and murder horror. The news is tightened on RG Kar's former principal, Sandeep Ghosh. 2 ACPs and 1 inspector have been suspended for their alleged negligence on duty during the vandalism that unfolded. Meanwhile, protests, like I pointed out, rage on the streets of Kolkata.
The probe into Kolkata rape and murder case is at a crucial stage. Justice! 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 The CBI, which met the family of the victim, has focused on the former principal of RG Kar Medical College, subjecting him to multiple sessions of marathon grilling. On Wednesday, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh was called for the 6th straight day. CBI has also grilled ASI Anup Datta, an aide of rape murder accused Sanjoy Roy. The Kolkata cop was seen running away to evade the media ahead of his questioning. 2 assistant commissioners of police and an inspector were suspended for negligence over mob vandalism at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the scene of crime. India Today accessed damning documents over delay in filing of the FIR. The cops, despite receiving a complaint from the hospital at 2:45 p.m. on 9th August, delayed filing the FIR until 11:45 p.m. A near 9-hour gap hinting at laxity. Shocking revelations have come to the fore about rape-accused Sanjoy Roy. He visited a red light area, harassed a woman on the streets and asked another woman to send nudes. He later went to the RG Kar Medical College and peeped into the operation theatre while drunk before attacking Abhaya in the seminar room. After the Supreme Court order, the RG Kar Hospital is now under the CISF's cover.
CISF takes charges of the security of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. We can see now the DIG of the CISF have arrived over here and they took brief from the Kolkata Police Corps and also met the hospital authority, and he reassured that all kind of measures are being taken to for increase the security of the RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. Remember, following the Supreme Court's order, the security arrangements have been handed over to the CISF.
The doctors, meanwhile, continue to stage massive protests for justice. Medicos from RG Kar Hospital, colleagues of Abhaya, marched on the streets.
I'm catching my breath as I walk with the young doctors here as they march from the Health Ministry's office here in Kolkata all the way to the CBI's office as they refuse to withdraw their protest. They want to ensure they keep up the pressure and show solidarity with the RG Kar Hospital victim. What's your protest all about today?
Today we have main 2 demands. First is we have peacefully gathered around CGO complex. That's just a message to the CBI. It's a request so as to do transparent investigation and so as to bring up with the report that will be presented tomorrow in the Supreme Court. Secondly, it is against our Shastha Bhavan, which is the health center for who conducts all the health services along the state. Our main protest is we want resignation of the authorities. We want resignations of the principal, of the MSVP who were there at that time.
We know, but we have seen and we have gotten the news that it's more than one person for sure. And we wanted to be completely verified what all people have been involved in this rape case.
You're saying there could be an attempt to cover up the case.
There can be.
The vandals were motivated to deliberately,
Absolutely. On the day of independence, at the midnight of independence, they came in a thing and they were actually literally shouting up in name of the leaders, those who were leading the article movement. How could they know? How could they know that where is the ENT department, where is the chest department? And they wanted to vandalize only the chest department, but they wrongly destroyed the ENT department. How is that possible? If they entered only the emergency department, they destroyed everything. It's not possible unless and until they were motivated to do that only.
Amid battle for justice for Abhaya, India Today has accessed the heartbreaking last diary entry of the young doctor, where she noted down her dreams to excel in medicine, ambition to win a gold medal, and her love for her father's well-being. A young and promising life violently snuffed out. It's now an endless wait for justice. With Nabila Jamal and Ritik Mandal from Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
It's the deadline for the CBI to file its report on the Kolkata horror tomorrow. One would wait to find out what exactly the CBI has to reveal.